What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Fantom, guys. Currently, we're seeing at $2.11. We're down about 7% on the day. Just a quick drink here. I'm all out. I just went and bought this peanut punch here in Jamaica. Absolutely scrumptious. Kind of like a little chocolate. Sorry, guys, a little peanut butter milkshake. But I slurped it all up already. So we're down about 7% on the day. We're sitting on a market cap of 5.31 billion. 24-hour volume is 1 billion. Ladies and gentlemen, if you're new to crypto.com, make sure to sign up to the world's fastest crypto earning apps. My favorite app for investing. You receive $25 in crypto just for signing up through my referral. So we're here on the 4-hour chart, guys. We broke out, but we just came up and hit the 1.272 once again and got rejected. You can see here on the 4-hour RSI, we did not see a lot of strength come in for that little bit of breakout here. So it looks like we may be seeing a little bit of a fake out. Now we are yet to come back to retest our previous all-time high to $1.92. So that may be what Fantom is looking to do here. However, guys, we've also created a double top pattern here. So we can drop our neckline. You can see we created a top, created a second top. So if that neckline is broken, the technical target from this double top could bring Fantom all the way back down to the 0.786, which was a level of support I was targeting here. So if we come down and we lose our all-time high, we lose the 55, do target $1.65. Bitcoin would have to go through a harsh correction here. We are starting to see a significant red candle here for Bitcoin, but you can see Fantom is still holding pretty strong here on the 4-hour. But it looks like we may be coming back for a retest of $1.94. We could always bounce off this level of support, the neckline of our double top. But we do have our bearish divergence for Bitcoin. So if that does fully play out, I would see Fantom coming back down for a retest of the previous all-time high, which is extremely healthy. Lines up with the 55 EMA. And we're still looking strong for continuation. Even if we come down to $1.65, I don't think we would stay there too quickly, guys. We had been getting a bit overextended. As you can see here, it's really healthy for us to be seeing this consolidation to allow the 20 EMA to catch back up on the daily. So I do think our previous all-time high gives us a beautiful opportunity to bounce for Fantom. So that's basically it, guys. Just a quick little update. If we do lose the previous all-time high, do target $1.65. But I do think our previous all-time high gives us a good opportunity to bounce. But if Bitcoin were to see a harsher correction, let's say Bitcoin comes all the way back down to about 52K, you may see Fantom. Now, of course, it's not promised. You may see Fantom come down to $1.65, but it tends to not correct as hard as many of the other altcoins. And when a little bit of green steps in, when a little bit of bullish action steps in for Bitcoin, we usually see Fantom absolutely take off. All right, guys, so that's it for this one. Trade Fantom with me over on Bybit. Sign up through my referral. Grab your $50 for your first deposit within 48 hours. My favorite platform for leverage trading. You can check out my full length tutorial. Check out the Discord, and I'll see you in the next one. Much love. Take care.